Lately, I've been so energetically weak. I haven't slept a week. I've been hit by a love bug. I've neglected all my friends, and I don't care if the world ends, since someone has my heart. I've given up my every win. I sit at home, I play the tune. Since he immunized my heart, I've switched to tiny cigarettes and martinis. I've neglected all the weekly magazines. There's a man on my mind.